Yes, massive blessed love and give thanks. Hopes everybody is doing well. You see it? Yeah, man. Welcome again. We're there for your next reasoning. Yeah. So we're back again for your next reason. We hope everybody is doing well. You see it? Heart of love to you people. You see me? So we just go get right into it. You see it, guys? People, you see, just like how you have people where kind of have the rush the for thrill and scary activity and them kind of thing there. You see it? There are some people they call thrill junkie. You see it where then we all go to the greatest extent for, you understand, push the boundaries, forget that thrill feeling there, you see it. Some people like to do some things where it pump their adrenaline, so you find, say, you understand, people we go gym and them kind of thing there, you see, cause that keep the blood flow and you understand, you create a crave for them kind of thing there. So all of them things they come from the mind still, you see, cause you see your body and your brain, it produce some chemical more time. You see it and it give you that rush feeling that way. You understand? More time, some people get addicted to it. And it no different from people who love negativity same way to you see it. Because you have people where they get a thrill, they get a drive from, you understand, negative energy, negative vibration. You see it? So more time, if negativity not exists, it come like I say, them feel like for them role now and play differently still. You see it? So you have some people where driven by them kind of thing that where them get a thrill, them get a drive from negativity. You see? But you see in a life differently still. It's either we are build something or we're going somewhere. You see it? So life full of journeys and life full of whole heap of construction. You see it? So we always build something or we always go somewhere. You see it? So as Mr. Life full of whole heap of journey and it come with a whole heap of construction. You see it? So whether we are build physical things or we are build relationship, we are build unity, we always build something, we are build family and then kind of thing. You see it? So there's a lot of building within life. You see it, and life have whole heap of different dimensional fields to it. You see it? But one of the greatest thing in our life is knowledge. For know something. Because knowledge come to you in a whole heap of different form, you know? And it come to you through whole heap of different means, same way too. Some of the means them come through clash and all of them things that you see it, but after all of it, what you gain from it is knowledge. And that are one of the greatest things for navigate or for build anything what you do in life is for know, have the knowledge. See? Because with the knowledge, you're going to know the right material, the right tools, the right people who have to put in place to build whatever you want to build. It don't mean say because the person they get left out, it means say in useless. You know? It just means say him not good for what you want to build right yes, sir, right now. It will come full circle where theme time needed. You understand? But the knowledge, it just give you the access there. For know say, what you do right now, you have to navigate around certain kind of people with certain kind of energy. Because then we stop you from build. You understand? Because more time we have to see knowledge as the little silent voice the way the universe used to talk to it. And more time we get some knowledge differently still. When the universe sight way I go through life and some stumbling block coming our way. And the universe talk to we and show we say, all right, that are the stumbling block. It don't necessarily mean say we forget on the defensive, you know, and ball up with fists and ready for fight. It just means say a time for you to take a stock and move around. Find one different avenue for reach the destiny where you did set out for. Because in a life are just two things. And not just two things, but in everything, it comes with duality. You see? Everything have duality. Everything good have one bad about it. Everything bad have one good about it. You see? So the dark and the light and the up and the down, the left and the right. You understand? All of them things are part of our build up life. And we have to do things based on them the kind of dimension there, you see it. Some more time we have to just know say the dark exists and the light they see and wait. And you have the choice for either walk in the light or step in the dark. Because more time when you step in the dark, it shows you the importance of the light. You see? And all of them things there, it have to generate and manifest through human beings. So human being go carry out the negative vibration there. You see it? Because it's just negative and positive. But the choice is yours. You understand? The choice depends on you for either walk the negative way or give light and life to the negative atmosphere and the negative vibration. Because as I say, you have people where they get a thrill from being negative, creating the atmosphere for negativity. You see it? And if them see themselves as the avenue for carry out them the kind of activity there, and you there over here so and shout the light and point the light and show them the light and them can see it for themselves, it makes sense you just walk and go on about your business. You understand? Because all of them vibration they go stop you in your journey. It go stop you from getting the right components to build whatever you want to build. So just like how a man up on the construction site at the man sieve the sand, means the gravel when him through one side no have no use. But it just not have no use to what you want to do. Right, yes, sir. You can do some backfill and then sitting there afterwards, Because everything and everybody have them place in a society. You understand? And as them said, there's a time and place for everything. But if you are choose to be negative, you make sure say whatever you choose in that life there is negativity. Make sure say you can stand by the consequences. Because all light have consequences. You understand? And you see the people them who choose to do things in a one positive way and give life to positive vibration and give life to positive meaning to life in general. We know the blessing will come from doing them kind of things. So even if we just have to think it and encourage it and speak it into being, and that we have to do. Because none of we can learn for nobody, you know. We couldn't preach and teach like Paul or the greatest teacher. At the end of the day, our people have to learn for themselves. So all we can do is just try to do the right thing, send out the right atmosphere, create the right energy and vibration, and have people a big kind of cuss over just simply giving your opinion on something and somebody say the opinion in a one different way. Because behind all of this, it have no hate behind it differently still, you know. It shouldn't have no hate behind it. We come out and we say some things. And we disagree with enough people saying we too. Daddy Gargan is a man where sometimes him say some things and me not necessarily agree with what Daddy Gargan say. But me respect it Daddy Gargan enough to know say that a Daddy Gargan opinion. It don't mean say me fi ball up my fist and try to you know tracing match with Daddy Gargan or I try to body him up or disrespect him. Me know say we live behind the principles where make we can see things from one different angle, but yet we can still look upon each other with respect. We have to create that avenue that we spot. Daddy Gargan say why I must say and me disagree. And me say Daddy Gargan, you know say, and also me see it differently still. But yet we still can shake and go on about with business. Me not understand the hate to the point where it seem like we are enemy. Them things I can't write. And that's how we live as a people differently still. You see it? We have to know, say, man, people have their opinion, man. And we can just avoid getting into confrontation with people because of their opinion. You see it? People feel free to say them whatever they want to say. If their listeners not agree with them and them kind of thing there, then them and their listeners can have, you understand, dialogue. So more times you can meet halfway same way. You see it? It don't make sense because we disagree with what a person has said. It means say a hater and we draw a line where this a man and not deal with that the man there. And you understand? Me not rate them kind of things are different. They still is it. And them kind of things are where we are speak against for a man in his seat and he come like I say. To how it said people even try to make it seem like I say you're there and the wrong for try to create the avenue that we spot people for respect people. A whole heap of things we not agree with each other about. But it don't necessarily mean say we have to create lines and create fence and them kind of things because we not agree with each other. Enough of we are Christian, enough of we are Rasta, enough of we not believe in a religion, enough of we see things on one different kind of level, but at the same time, we have one common interest where all of we can work on together despite of the difference, the differences in a way personal belief. Because this thing is not an individual thing, you know. This YouTube thing is not an individual thing, because remember now we are talking about a Jamaica community where we are link up each other from all world, all across the world. You have people in America, in Canada, in Jamaica, all across the world. We are link and a deal with each other. Whether we have confrontation where we are cuss one another, but it happen right across the world. Just look on the power it if we use it for one common good. Because it's almost like simultaneously we can just make a video and put out the video and we connect with each other right away. How about if we do them kind of things there and bring more unity within the thing? Because we can't just dwell upon negativity alone. For how long we can sell negativity? And it come like say people take a while to understand them kind of things, because all we are so different is still. Even the people who make it big, the ones who make it big and establish out there, them a tell we say a unity are the right thing to grow each other. But yet the people who do it and establish themselves, I give them kind of advice there. But yet at the same time, we are choose one personal vibe for just sell negativity. Because you have some people out there where negativity junkie differently still way. Then get a thrill, as me say, from seeking negativity. See? So make we do the best what we can do. You see? We don't have to dwell upon all of them things and it look like I say people are go back and forth and own like who and this and that. No, we know them things there. Make we navigate around it. You understand? Because that, as me say, are the silent voice of life and the universe speak to it. It's through knowledge. As them say science are the mind of God. So the universe speak to people through them things what we call knowledge. You see? And knowledge bring you to different dimension of learning things and knowing things. You see? So now you know where the negativity there, make we navigate around it and don't use the negativity to become your own stumbling block. It's just life I show you say a time for you recalibrate your navigation system and go around it and just keep it moving. So people, wanna go and bless up on yourself. Take care of the family. More life and more love. Blessed. Give thanks. Rastafari live.